I never thought one simple rule could change my sleep this much. No supplements. No expensive tools. Just one time on the clock. *** 10 p.m. And what happened over the next 7 nights shocked me more than any experiment I've done so far. Before I tell you what this rule did to my brain and body, make sure you subscribe. The Soft Nights series is becoming something bigger than I expected, and your support helps keep it alive. Now let's start with Night 1. Night 1 felt like fighting gravity. My mind wanted to stay awake. My eyes wanted to scroll. My habits wanted just 10 more minutes, but when the clock hit 10 p.m., I forced myself into darkness. And something strange happened. There was a quiet heaviness behind my eyes, a heaviness I hadn't felt in months. It wasn't tiredness. It was something deeper, like my body had been waiting for this exact moment for years. Night 2 hit even harder. Before the clock reached 10, I felt my energy drop naturally, as if my brain already knew what was coming. I didn't get sleepy because I was tired, I got sleepy because my * melatonin wave finally had space to rise. For the first time, I realized I'd been blocking that natural process for years with screens, lights, and noise. Night 3 was the night everything changed. My thoughts slowed down. My breathing softened. And when I closed my eyes, it felt like falling into warm water. Deep, steady, quiet sleep. Not forced. Not shallow. But the kind of sleep that rebuilds you from the inside out. By Night 4, the mornings became different. I woke up before my alarm. Clear-headed. Present. No fog. No dizziness. Just this calm energy that lasted through the day. It felt like my brain finally remembered how to rest correctly. Night 5 was even more surprising. Instead of waiting for sleep to drag me in, my body moved toward sleep on its own. My heart rate dropped earlier. My mind entered a calm, night mode, naturally. It was the first time I truly understood something scientists say. ***, your melatonin rhythm is the engine of your nighttime repair. ***, and for the first time, my engine was finally running the way it should. Night 6 was emotional. I didn't expect this part. I didn't just sleep better, I felt better. Calmer. Less reactive. More balanced. Almost like my brain was healing pieces of me I didn't even know were broken. Melatonin doesn't just help you sleep. It changes your mood, your stress, your clarity. And then, Night 7. The final night. The night everything came together. At **10 p.m. sharp *, my entire nervous system shifted into a different state. Warm. Slow. Heavy. Quiet. Like a soft wave pulling me into restoration. And that night, I had the deepest sleep of the entire week. The kind of sleep you don't remember, because your brain is too busy repairing, recalibrating, resetting everything. When I woke up the next morning, I felt different. Not dramatic. Not magical. But real. Clearer. Lighter. Balanced from the inside. And all of this, from one simple rule. * respect the 10 p.m. window. Because your body has a timing. And when you honor it, everything transforms. If you've been struggling with shallow sleep, racing thoughts, or foggy mornings, try this rule for 3 nights. Just 3. And see what happens. If this episode helped you in any way, make sure you subscribe for the next one. Soft nights is only getting deeper, softer, and more transformative. And your best sleep might start with something as simple as 10 p.m. Thank you for being here. Sleep gently tonight. Crescent moon sparkles.